Okay guys, it finally stopped raining in Belgium, so let's go grab a cup of coffee in the clubhouse. It's been raining crazy. It's really insane, man. Don't understand how it's possible. It's June and it's still under 20 degrees. Festival season is going to start soon, so I hope the weather is getting better. So I want to consume some nice Belgian beers on the grass pop away when it's dry and not muddy as fuck. But hey, let's not worry too much. Let's just go grab a cup of coffee at the clubhouse. Gonna spend my night. Subaru. A Subaru. That guy is tall, man. It was a big guy, man. Big boy. A big boy. Big boy. How are we going to drive? Don't watch them, dude. Don't forget the blinker. Blink, blink, blink. That was a quick boy. Dag Paul. Hey. That was my boss. Oh, funny. That was my boss. It's a nice Mustang. Nice Mustang. Nicer Mustang, damn. Let's go take a look at the circuit, racetrack. I noticed they were riding, but I don't know What is going on? Ooh, Suzuki. Let's go take a quick look at Circuit Zolder. I noticed when I was in the clubhouse that they were riding, but I don't know if it's free entry, but we will take a look. I think so. Today I think so. Don't know if something official is being held. No. It's open, it's open. It's free entrance. Let's go take a quick look. Ooh, Hayabusa. Let's go take a quick look. We gaan een keer kijken, hè. Oeh, nice. Oh. Mercedes-Benz. No. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? My friends all drive Porsches, I must make a man. Recover from my money. Won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? Oh Lord, won't you buy me a color TV?